if you pay attention and you actually keep whatever information is coming in front of you, that you choose what's valuable. But the things that you do here that are valuable, if you make it your business to keep it, even if you have to write it down, so you have to say it to yourself or whatever, and you just keep, the person says something and you go, what did you just say? Hold on a second, put in my...
What you have to do before you even think about investing. Now, first and foremost, you have to get rid of all your credit card debt. Now, the average US household has over $16,000 in credit card debt. That's on average. And actually about 40% of people don't have any debt at all, any credit card debt at all. So think about where that money is going and how many people are actually underwater in terms of credit cards. Now keep this in mind. Credit card interest is as high as 23%. And that money is compounded daily. So that means that if you don't pay your credit card off today, tomorrow you will owe more money. Credit card companies are ruthless. They strive on you not paying back your credit cards and continuously paying the minimum amount month after month. So you basically just never pay it off. Now think about this. The average stock market return is around 10% a year. Now, if you think you're gonna get out of a bad credit card situation by trying to flip your money into stocks, you're gonna be hustling backwards. And this is why. 10% average return from the stock market, 23% interest from the credit card companies. If you go ahead and put all your money in the stock market while you don't pay off your credit cards, you're gonna be in the whole 13%. Now keep this in mind. You're not guaranteed that 10%. So imagine, having thousands of dollars in credit card debt, thinking you're gonna quickly flip your money in the stock market. You throw your money in stocks and that money goes down. You now owe more money on your credit cards and it's been compounded daily. So you even owe even more money. It's a losing thing. So whatever you do, before you even think about investing in stocks, pay off all your credit card debt.